Hi, welcome back. Do you know that Capcut is now inside ChatGPT? You can now generate videos and edit videos using ChatGPT. Come, let me show you. Now, I'm going to show you 3 good steps you can take to complete this task. Step 1. Open your browser and search for chatgpt.com. chatgpt.com and hit enter. Okay, this is the interface of ChatGPT. Step 2. Click on explore. Click here and click on explore. This one, explore GPT. Step 3. Search for Capcut. In the search bar here, search for Capcut. Search. Do you now see there's Capcut inside ChatGPT? These are the tools. These are the Capcut tools in ChatGPT. You can try any of them and you see it by yourself. If you will try any of them, comment in the section below that I will try it. Now click on Capcut Video GPT, the first one.
Subscribe to my channel.
Click on Start Chat. So here, ask anything. You can ask anything. Here you can give it a right prompt and boom, your video will be generated successfully and you can edit it accordingly the way you want. So if you want me to do a complete video on how to create a Capcut video in ChatGPT, drop in the section below that I should do a video on how to generate it, and I will do it immediately as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Did you now see how powerful ChatGPT is? You can create your video and edit it without stress. If you want me to do a complete video on how you can create and generate your own video using ChatGPT in Capcut, drop it in the section below that I should do a complete video and I will do it in a short time. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.